Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install latest version of Python on your Windows computer. I will also show you how to verify the installation and run your very first Python program. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Python and press enter. Open the official Python website from the search result. Now click on Downloads. Now again click on Windows. Here you see the latest version of Python, which is 3.14.6. Click on Windows 64-bit installer. The download will begin. Wait for the setup file to finish downloading. Once download is complete, open the installer. The installation process will start. Wait until the installation finishes. When it's complete, click Close. Now open the Start menu and search for Python 3.14.6. Right click on it and select Open File Location. Right click the shortcut again and choose Open File Location. Now you are in the Python installation folder. Copy the folder path from the address bar. We need this in the next step. Open the Start menu again and search for Edit System Environment Variables. Open it, click on System Environment Variable. Under System Variable, find the path and double click on it. If an older Python version is listed, select it and click Delete. Now click New. Paste the new Python installation path that you copied earlier. Click OK, then click OK again, and finally click OK one more time to save all the changes. Open the command prompt. Type Python --version and press enter. If you see Python 3.14.6, congratulations. Python has been installed successfully. Now type Python and press enter. You are now inside the Python interpreter. Let's run our first program. Type print bracket double quote hello world. Press enter. You should see hello world. Congratulations. Python is working perfectly on your Windows computer. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.